Hey folks, today I decided to review another network marketing company that called IFA. If you are watching this video, it's because you are interested in the opportunity and you want to know how IFA works and how you can make money as a IFA member. In this video, I will tell you what is IFA all about and how people are making money with IFA. I will show you the alternative to IFA if you are serious about making some extra income full-time or part-time. By the way, I'm not an IFA member and I'm not here to recruit you. The purpose of this video is to inform the public what they are going to get as a IFA member, because I found a lot of information out there is a bit misleading. Here you learn the truth. So is being an IFA worth your time or a waste of time? Is IFA a scam? Can you make consistent income with IFA and even quit your job? That is what I'm going to explain in this video. And if you stick with me until the very end, I will tell you how I make this commission almost every day working at home with my laptop and internet connection. The good part is I get paid in the US dollar, which means more money in rent. At the very end of this video, I will show you how you can turn your passion into profit just by using your laptop and internet connection. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm an online entrepreneur and affiliate coach. I give tips and training on how to build a successful online business with internet and affiliate marketing. I also review other programs and video on this channel that claim to help people to make money online. Therefore, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload new video, you will get my notification. And you can also find all the links for everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. One reason to subscribe to my channel, you will never be broke again, but you need to take action, and also my channel will help you to avoid scam online. IFA is the network marketing company that provides an opportunity for everyone to make some extra income by signing up as the IFA member. IFA stands for Independent Field Advertising. IFA is a division of Clientele Life Insurance Company. How to become an IFA member? You need to be invited by existing IFA member, and you need to be over 18 years, and you need to attend the IFA presentation to understand the business model. Then you need to pay 55 Rand per month as a IFA membership. And you also need to subscribe to one of the clientele insurance plan. As a IFA member, you need to understand the importance of paying your premium insurance and the IFA membership. Then you need to recruit other people to join IFA. That is how people make money with IFA. The more people you recruit, the more money you make. How much can you earn with IFA? Unfortunately, there is no way you can find the IFA income disclaimer on their website. What you have to understand, you need to recruit more people and build your team. You can make money with IFA from level 1 to level 6. The earning differ from level and the insurance plan your team subscribe to. If your team recruit new IFA member at level 1, they will be placed on the level 2. If the level 2 recruit other new IFA member, they will be placed at the level 3 and so forth. You need to recruit more people to build your team. The more people you recruit, the more money you make. If you recruit 5 people, and if those people they pay IFA membership and subscribe to the premium insurance in the same month, you will qualify as a IFA earner. You will also qualify for IFA clubs by building your downline team and earn monthly club bonuses. You can check out my complete review to understand more about club bonuses. You can find the link in the discussion box. What you have to understand is if you recruit 5 people and they pay the premium insurance for the value of 300 Rand, you earn 180. It is 12% of commission of the people you recruit, which is around 36 Rand per person. If you recruit another 5 people and you reach 10 people, you will earn 360 Rand. By looking at this amount, you can tell that the earning potential is very low. You need to recruit a lot of people, and the people you recruit need to recruit to make decent money. IFA is a very legit opportunity to make money full-time or part-time. The problem that I have with network marketing, they make you believe that you are a partner or a distributor. In reality, you are a potential client and salesperson. If you join IFA, you need to pay your membership of 55 Rand per month and subscribe to an insurance plan that you can afford. Can you see that you are a potential client once you sign up, and you need to recruit other people to join IFA? Now you are a salesperson who is marketing their business. The other problem that I have with MLM and network marketing is the more people you recruit in the business, the more competitive the business it becomes. Because everyone that you recruit has to recruit also to make money. Yes, you can make money with IFA, but the earning potential is very low. If you are not good at recruiting people, you cannot make money. Everyone you meet is your potential client. You need to be ready to speak to them and recruit them. With this kind of business, it does not give you a freedom. You will always need to meet up with people to increase your earning. All the energy you put in this business, if you switch it somewhere else, you can make a lot of money. For example, if you start your internet and affiliate marketing, you can see here I'm making commission almost every day with my laptop and internet connection. You may ask, what is affiliate marketing? It's basically recommending someone else's product and service and get a commission. This video explains what is affiliate marketing and how to start your affiliate marketing business. The good part of this business, if you make a sale, you can share 50-50 with the owner of the product and even earn more. Uber allowed users to invite other drivers and passengers to join the platform using a unique link or a code that you can share with people you know. In return, if people sign up with Uber using your unique link or a code, you can earn a reward. You can earn a reward like coupons, discount code, or cash. That is affiliate marketing. I hope this simple example help you to better understand the big picture of affiliate marketing in general. People are making 6 figures with this business model, and you don't need to buy any product, and you can build a stream of income online. Let's check Amazon. Amazon is the biggest affiliate network. You can sign up for free and earn up to 10% commission. You can recommend any product and make commission. ClickBank. ClickBank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. They pay people billion US$ in commission. You can sign up for free and recommend people different products and earn commission. To maximize your earning or learn how affiliate marketing works, I'm inviting you to sign up for my 7-day email course. All you need is the internet connection to receive my email for the 7 days. Once you sign up by providing your name and your email address, you need to check up your inbox. You will receive a confirmation email, and if you don't find my email, you can also check your spam folder. I will show you everything that I know to make your first dollar online. I will show you everything that I know to make your first commission online. I also promise by the end of this video, I will show you how you can turn your passion into a profit. You can check the link in the description to download my free making money guide that will help you to turn your passion into profit. All you need to know is to start a blog to reach your audience. You can start your free blog by signing up with blogger.com. If you have a passion of something, it can be traveling, sport, fitness. You can start blogging about it and make money. Better yet, you are making passive income. You can sign up with Google AdSense and start monetizing with your blog. You can check how much you can earn if you start getting people to read your blog. The more people visit your blog, the more money you can make. This is called make money while you are sleeping. This does not involve meeting people or recruiting people. You can check my website here. You can find a lot of display ads. This is the best way to make money online. But there is more to it, and it is not an overnight success. You need to understand how people can find your blog on the search engine like Google. If you find this video informative, please like it and share it with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and training on how to make money online. Here is my question. What is the best way to make money online? Is by recruiting people who start the internet and affiliate marketing business. Please leave a comment. I want to learn from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.